Skills. 4. Listen to a recording about meeting and greeting customs in some countries around the world. Decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
In countries around the world, people meet and greet each other in different ways. In Finland, people greet each other with a handshake. Close friends and family members often hug and kiss when they meet. In Japan, people usually bow when greeting each other. When greeting family or friends, a small head bow is used. But when greeting a superior, people are expected to use a deeper, longer bow to show respect. In Korea, when men greet each other, they bow and shake hands. But women do not often shake hands. Like in Vietnam, when you address someone with his or her full name, the family name comes first, then the first name. In the United States, when people meet each other for the first time, they shake hands. Hugging and kissing are best left for friends and family members in informal situations. In these cases, men usually kiss women, but men kissing other men is not common.